Welcome to the channel, everyone. Model Car Guy Rich here. Today I've got a special treat. This is a unboxing of a special edition 1983 Hurst Oldsmobile. The Revell kit, 125 scale, skill level 4, and the kit number on this one is 854317. Pretty slick. Looks like it's really detailed nice. A lot of nice options in there. Don't know what year this kit came out. Oh, 2016 is the date on this particular kit. I don't know if it was available prior to that, but that's the one. That's what this one is. So we're going to go ahead and get right into this one. Cut the cellophane off of it. If I can find a good easy spot to get into. There we go. Really looking forward to this one. Oh boy. Hope everyone's doing well. Thank you for stopping by. Please be sure to like, share, and comment, and subscribe. There we go. It's kind of an off-white looking. Let me cut into this. It might be the bag given a hue to it. Let's see. No, it's got kind of an off-white look to it. Really sharp looking. Nice and straight. Gonna clean up some of them, I don't know if you can see it, the little release injection pin dents that it puts in there. Let's clean them up real good. Comes with four little rivets, it looks like. I don't know what those are for. Maybe to put the body together, to hold it together? We'll see when we get into the instructions. But anyway, here's the body. Very nice. Good thickness. A lot of stuff already pre-molded in. That's really nice. Everything from the battery and shock towers. Oh, no, that's not even a shock tower. That's a like an overflow. Maybe that's the windshield washer solvent thing. This is a radiator overflow bottle. Coolant air conditioning get up there with the blower motor. Alright. Very nice. And then 4 more of those, whatever those things are. So we got a total of 8 of those. And 2 sets of taillights. That's interesting. Don't know what that's all about. We'll go ahead and keep all that separated. What? Oh no, look at there. And another set, so we have 12 of them. 12 of them. Huh. Okay. We have 3 bags of white parts. Boy, this is a very detailed kit here. Alright, I'll go ahead and start off with this one. This bag here has the interior tub with your pedals molded in, console already molded in, and the rear seat molded in. Absolutely nothing on the sides here, but the way it's designed, I think you're going to have inserts. A little bit of detail up here for your package tray, the part that'll be visible. Dangaon, I don't know what that means. God bless you. Here are 2 front seats. And the backs of the 2 front seats. Very cool. Yep, there they are. Those are the door panel inserts. Minimal detail. This will be part of the dashboard, and looks like you're going to have separate gauges. That'll be really cool. Steering column, mirror, full dashboard, which this piece attaches to this. That's really cool. And the other mirror over here. Okay. And last but not least, for this particular bag, we have the chassis. Pretty standard looking. Very nice thickness. Nice feel to it. I like it. Very nice. Nice and straight. Yeah, got a little bit of a bend to it, but we'll fix that. That's no big deal. Alright. And the next one. This one here, two pieces. This one here we have the hood. Nice little bubble built right into it. And, oh, this is the rear spoiler. I don't know if you can see it from that angle. That'll go on the back of the trunk lid there, deck lid. And these two little things, I don't know what they are. Part number, really? Part number 54 and 55. I'll have to remember that when it comes time to look up the instructions. And here's the front end. Very nice looking. The rear bumper, air cleaner, and steering wheel. Alright. And the final bag of white molded parts. Molded in white parts, I guess we could say. Any minute now, Rich. Here we go. We have the rear end. Very basic rear end. I don't think these are part of the build. These are part of the sprue tree. The drive shaft and just the rear end with the little wheel backs. Coil springs. A couple little shock absorbers and little things, inserts for the wheels. Here's the engine. I don't know what the engine is supposed to be. We'll figure that out. Let's see if it says here. It does not say anything on the box. No, it just talks about the model itself. Okay. So here's the engine. I can't remember off the top of my head what came in those. It looks nice. Nice heads with the valve covers already attached. And I'm thinking that's the air cleaner. Or the brake booster. That might be, yeah, that's the actual back of the brake booster, because there's the master cylinder with the front half of the brake booster. Actual coolant hose. More coolant hoses and the exhaust manifolds there. And we have all kinds of a mess here with the fan belt and pulley system right there. Oil pan, transmission pan or oil pan. Let me look back again. This is transmission pan. The oil pan is molded into the engine block. Nice fan, 5-bladed fan. Intake manifold. Back of an alternator. You can do some nice detail on that because it's not chrome, so you can actually pick out some nice details. One of these. I'm not sure what that is. And then looks like a little baby toilet seat. I don't know what that is right there. Alright. And a little bit of ducting work for the air cleaner. Radiator. And front suspension parts there. Here's the front suspension with the lower control arms, cross member, and all that good stuff. Exhaust, which is single into a dual exhaust. Some more engine detail parts. The front of the alternator, it looks like. Carburetor, top of distributor cap. And this looks like the water pump. Oh, here's some more pieces here. Starter. Now here's a starter here. I'm not sure what that is then. And then another little piece, I'm not sure what that is. Okay. Clear glass, very nice. Windshield kind of on the thin side and with not a whole lot to leverage to pop it in, so I hope that one goes in easy. There's back glass, back quarter glasses, and miscellaneous side marker lights and headlights, because these are square headlight. Yep. Alright. And for chrome, well, I don't even have to take these out of the bag. Look at there, we got chrome rims with red lines already painted on. That's kind of cool. So it gives the illusion of being a red line tire, but it's actually a red line rim. And rear view mirror, the triple stick shifter. mirrors, and a little tiny, I think that's the hood emblem right here. Alright. And for tires, well, I don't have to open much on these. Got no name on those. Let me look at them. I'm going to have to open these guys. Yeah, they're unbranded. There's no name on these tires. Decent tread. A little out of round. We'll have to fix that in post-production, as they say. Yep. Alright, and we have the instructions, which is like a book. Holy, yeah. This is nice. There's about 12 pages here, it feels like. It talks about the actual vehicle, which I always love. Tips and tricks on building. Let me straighten this out a little bit. That didn't work at all. Let's see. Parts list of what should be included. Paint guide. Tips, which colors to choose. Wow. Holy man. There's a lot going on here. Some more parts list. There's a lot of parts in this one. Here's the engine. Doesn't tell you what size it is. Going to have to look it up online. I don't know. For some reason, I thought these came with a V6, but I mean, I don't know that for a fact. I'm just talking here. Okay. Those other parts, what were they? Number 55, I think it was. 54 and 55. I don't see them anywhere. Put your side door panels in. Here they are. Nope, see, it's 63 and 64. That's the lights. That's close. Here they are. 54 and 55 are the... Oh, they're like the little inserts that go into... The filler strips that go in to bring the bumper around to fill in that area. That's what those are. Those are like the hardest thing to find in real 1-to-1 scale cars now, is those things, because nobody makes those, you know. Alright, put your spoiler on, bumper, all that. Got to remember how you're going to paint it. You need to make sure you include that ahead of time. Yep. Very nice. And there you go. Notes on decals. Decals overlap. You got to remember that. Let's see what they look like when we get to the decals, which are right here. Alright. I can't pick them up. They're too slippery. Okay. There we go. Oh, okay. Very nice. They give you the decals to give you like the striping kit there. Okay, some miscellaneous emblems and things, and gauge package. I don't know if I can get that clear enough for you guys. That's pretty cool. It's very detailed. I don't know how they print stuff that tiny. And here's the Illinois license plates. Very cool. Well, there you have it, folks. 1983 Hurst Olds by Revell, 125 scale. Hope you had a good time watching that one. Have yourselves a great day. I'll see you on the next one. Keep on modeling.